That's crazy.
Brand new fucking insoles.
Bam.
You know?
Look at the ducky. Look at the ducky.
I clean the insides on these and the
fire.
And the tongue. So
fire.
I'm gonna go ahead and clean the uppers next.
I'm like, are they gonna start? Because they were releasing a lot of shoes. So I'm like, they already released the Dornbeckers, Foamposites. I'm like, are they gonna release these ducks or these paranormals? Because they're supposed to be bringing back the Galaxy foams this year.
Yeah.
So I'm like, what other ones do we not know about yet, man?
Yeah. Foamposites will never die.
No. Even though people were falling off them a little bit because of the price.
You see how the...
It's a new shoe.
Man, these are clean, bro.
Yeah.
Like, you got no scratches. They're just dusty.
Duckies. Yeah. It's crazy how Oregon always comes out with some dope Nike shoes, man, of every fucking model.
Oregon Ducks.
Yeah. Be rich in Oregon. Yeah, those are plush, my dude.
Yeah, these are. They really are. They just needed a little, not too much.
Little tension.
Those needed a lot of love.
Yeah, they did.
But these just needed, this is a quick little,
With the soft brush, basically.
Yeah. Because like I told you, it just has a layer of gunk that's sitting on the outer layer.
They're sparkling like crazy now.
It just has the outer layer. So if you're able to take that layer of gunk out, then you're back at the actual layer of where the rubber is.
That's crazy.
That's where you want to be.
Yeah, but it's damn sure there. Shit.
Yeah, you wear them, then you do this all over again real quick. It doesn't take that long once you have them where you want them. You know?
Keith, once you get them where you want, you gotta stay on top of it, man.
Yeah, you gotta stay on top of it. That's fucking incredible.
That's perfect.
That's fucking incredible.
Damn.
And that's just a rough one.
Yep.
Right? You've seen that, right? Gunk right there?
Right.
Watch this. I want you to catch the shit on camera. Get a little stability on this shit. It does take a little elbow grease sometimes.
Yeah.
I'll give you that, because I know a lot of these shoe cleaning companies, they want to make it seem like
it comes right out.
It's a breeze, but I'll be the first one to tell you that it's not. See that?
Yeah, definitely different.
Where the sole curve right there, I couldn't get it, so I'm gonna get it like that.
No, that's good. Look at the difference in that. Look at the difference in that.
You know, we can't just
look at the difference in that. Well, yeah, definitely can. That's nice. Telling you guys, go follow CONNOISSEUR1CENT on Instagram.
Follow me, please.
He does a lot of great work with shoes, especially restoring, detailing, sneaker detailing at its finest. It's not sneaker cleaning, it's sneaker detailing.
Inside out. And like I said, we can also deoxify soles if that's what you guys want.
Right. Right.
You know, re-glues, we can re-glue that if you need that. Painting, we got all that.
Right.
Just hit me up. You use it so much, the bristles start coming out.
Right.
And the next thing you know, I'm like walking in my carpet and fucking stab myself with one of these.
Yeah, because them things are pretty sharp, right? Like I said, you guys, CONNOISSEUR1CENT on Instagram, YouTube soon to come. Follow him on Instagram. He got a lot of good things on there as well as on IGTV.
Yep,
and go ahead.
If you guys see my previous stories, that's where you see some of my restorations.
Right.
Because that's where I want to do more photography, modeling ish for my feed.
Right.
You know, I'm very passionate about doing this, but this is not what I want to be known for. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I'm into fashion.
Right.
You know, I'm into the culture. You know what I'm saying? That's
all around.
That's what drives me and motivates me is the culture. So, but like I said, I also do this because, you know, I have older shoes and I like to keep them in tip-top condition.
As we all should, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, follow him on Instagram, link in the description as well. It's your boy Bossco. We about to get out of here, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.